How to prevent engine pre-ignition. Engine pre-ignition, or knock, is more than just a noisy problem. It can cause serious damage to your vehicle over time. This phenomenon happens when fuel ignites prematurely, disrupting the engine's rhythm. Left unresolved, it can lead to costly repairs or even permanent engine damage. Does your engine rattle or ping under acceleration? That sound might be pre-ignition. Recognizing the signs early can save you from a lot of headaches. Let's dive into what causes it and how you can keep your engine running smoothly. Pre-ignition occurs for a variety of reasons, many preventable. One major culprit: low-quality fuel. Using improper fuel grades can lead to uneven combustion, causing the dreaded knock sound. Always check your owner's manual to identify the correct fuel for your engine. Another frequent issue is carbon buildup inside the combustion chamber. Over time, deposits can heat up and trigger early ignition. Ignoring routine engine maintenance often allows such deposits to collect, increasing the risk of pre-ignition. Incorrect spark timing or an overheated engine also rank high on the list. Faulty spark plug gaps, improper tuning, or even overloading the engine with heavy driving conditions can raise the likelihood of misfires and pre-ignition. The good news? Preventing engine pre-ignition is completely within your control. First, always use the right fuel grade specified for your car. High-performance engines often need premium fuel, and cutting corners here can invite trouble. Second, stay on top of regular maintenance. Scheduling periodic engine inspections, cleaning carbon deposits, and replacing spark plugs when needed are all great practices. These small steps extend your engine's life while reducing knock risks. Lastly, avoid excess heat. Whether it's monitoring coolant levels, fixing a faulty thermostat, or ensuring your radiator is functioning efficiently, keeping your engine cool is critical. Overheating often accelerates pre-ignition issues. Eliminating pre-ignition doesn't just protect your engine, it enhances your driving experience. With better combustion comes improved fuel efficiency and smoother acceleration. In the long term, reduced stress on your engine parts lowers the risk of expensive repairs or unforeseen breakdowns. When you prevent pre-ignition, you also extend your vehicle's lifespan. A well-maintained car stays reliable for years. Besides saving money, you can drive with peace of mind, knowing your engine performs at its best. Engine knock can seem intimidating, but a little care and attention go a long way. By using proper fuel, prioritizing maintenance, and managing engine heat, you can prevent expensive repairs and maximize your car's potential. Take action today. Check your fuel type, schedule an inspection, or consult your manual about maintenance timelines. Your car deserves the best care, and preventing pre-ignition helps ensure every drive is safe, smooth, and worry-free. Keep your engine happy. You'll thank yourself later.